Seeking to foster growth engines through foreign direct investment, the economy-related ministries on Wednesday announced plans to lift regulations on foreign investment and enhance cooperation between government agencies to expedite the process. For details, we have our Song Ji-sun.
Korea is gaining recognition as an attractive investment destination. But even as more investors acknowledge Korea's importance, they also say there is plenty of room for improvement. According to a survey by the Korean Chamber of Commerce, more than half of the foreign investors surveyed said Korea has increased in significance, especially after it agreed on a free trade pact with China. However, they also said the investment environment is not any more favorable than before. That is why Seoul is working to remove regulations and open doors to more investment. With the new deregulation package, Seoul is seeking to attract $30 billion in investment by 2017, a marked increase from the $19 billion record set last year. Starting next month, and for the first 2 years since their founding in Korea, companies with foreign investment will no longer have to limit the number of foreign employees to less than 20% of the workforce. In addition, foreign startups seeking to register a business will soon face less paperwork. The lifting of other regulations will give foreign companies opportunities to develop medical cosmetics and own airport maintenance services. In addition to easing regulations for foreign investors, the government will work toward fostering new growth engines on the domestic front by supporting the convergence of industries like healthcare and financial technologies. As a first step, the related ministries will help startups expedite the process of turning their ideas into products. The latest set of deregulation moves is aimed at improving efficiency and creating a greater synergy effect among government ministries and agencies. To do that, the government plans to remove redundant processes and emphasize collaboration. Song Ji-sun, Arirang News.